Yes, 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 yes.
Had to be one.
Yeah, nice early one.
No, only a little fella. Had to be one there.
Where'd you get him on the tip of that? Yeah.
Only just got him.
Do you want the little hand net?
Yeah. Gotta land the first one.
Yeah, come on, don't fuck it. Yeah.
Wouldn't even be
It's 5 to 6.
5 to 6. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, stubby is. It's like half a yellow belly.
Yeah. Oh, nice release, Jono.
Yeah.
That's.
Gotta be gentle with it.
Yes. Do you take it? No.
Snag or?
Maybe. What? What a fluke.
Oh, it's not little.
Yeah, same. That was mad. He hit it a couple of times.
Yeah, he's got a weird head on him, mate.
Yeah.
I wonder what makes him have a head like that.
Yeah. Long and thin. Whew. Yep. Did you get that all on film? No. I didn't either. I think I wasn't rolling. Well, that goes and throws better and things. I was keen to pull up. Yeah. Now I'm like, fuck.
8 times.
Dead set.
Bang, bang. And then
And
spray water and
yeah.
cast back in and go again. Never felt this one.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yes. Righto. We've been casting for 5 minutes. Don't fuck this. There you go.
Didn't think he was going to come back.
Nah, neither. And I thought I pulled up a bit too short.
Yeah, he come out, eh?
Yeah. Tiny. Wow.
It's a start.
Yeah, it's still. Hunchback. You little champion. Thanks, champ. Love giving someone a champ sometimes. Thanks, champ.
I hate that.
Oh, yeah.
Little fella.
Yeah. Slick back. Thank you. Thank you. Whew. Yeah. That was a short cast too, eh?
Yeah. I'll say that.
Oh yes. He feels alright. Yeah, he's alright.
He's alright.
Oh, yeah, little. Nah.
No, he's alright.
Get me, little one.
He's legs.
You were fucking, what were you saying? You got
15 minutes
till out.
9:30 bike.
Yeah.
So far.
He's yeah, he's solid.
Solid.
He's gee, they just blend in with the water so well, eh? Oh, yep. Yep. Thank you. Yeah. Another tiny fella. Up. Good iced coffee, these. Pretty low sugar and pretty strong. Nice little caffeine hit. Bit of brekkie on the ribber. Oh, yep. Yes, come on. Third cast. Nah, slick back.
Nice.
Third cast for the Arvo sesh. But great signs. Oh, dropped him. Yeah. Oh,
He's alright.
nice. Playing up.
I like that.
While I'm snagged, you get one. It's a good one for your first one on the slick back.
Yeah, about time. 55 or something.
Yep.
Get him back.
Oh yeah! Oh, he's gobbled that. Have a go at that. There we go. That's 9. That's a 1 ounce spinnerbait too. Oh no. I wasn't watching, bro. Fuck. Yeah, yeah. He's alright, I think. Oh, oh wow.
Ah, you're lucky there.
He hit it twice.
Yeah, good fish. He's the fish of the trip.
Wispy tips too, it's nothing over, like... Is this the first fish off it?
Fucking up there.
64, oh, nearly 65. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, next time bring some tongs, mate.
Yeah.
Oh.
Little. Oh, take it.
I like that bend up.
Yeah. Yeah. Just left it there. Oh, he's tiny. Gee. You're not the one we want.
Nah,
Yeah. 2 hits.
2 inches right there.
He's good fish tank one.
Guppy. Getting his headlamp out. You wouldn't have been filming either.
No.
Anyhow.
Just stop for a feed. And Jono goes and gets a fish. Good on you.
You're not going to get all in here, do it?
Yeah. Flaming fire.
Just give it a look.
Coffee.
We back.
More coffee. Oh shit. Fuck, that scared me.
I think we hit that every time.
Yeah. Whew. If that motor wasn't there, I probably would have went in.
We ain't got one after 9:30. I think we'll call it.
Yep. Fuck, man. Oh, he jammed it up. Yeah, he... Fuck. Oh. 9:30 bite. I just sat down. Did you bust your up once? Oh, I just got hit. Did you see it?
Yeah, black snake on the bank.
Where?
Right where I just cast the lure.
Oh yeah. Fuck, you've got good eyes. Come on, come back. Come back. Fuck. Yeah. Oh, again, yep. No!
That's the 9:30 bite.
Yep.
When we go up north,
Yeah.
we got this thing. Watch the little iPad.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Come on. Stay on, stay on. Wispy tips.
Shit. Nailed it too. Not a bad fish.
He's alright, eh? You just took a mad chunk out of my finger. Yeah, 65. Oh, nearly 66. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, sir.